Alright, what's up YouTube? It's Mikey. I'm gonna do a quick bike check. Alright, up front, my friend lent me the same Animal PIF 2.0 bars, but they're just in black. I got my Animal stem. I got a new, well, it's not new, I bought it off a friend. It's a Fit stack frame with heat treated dropouts. It's really nice. The rotation's good. It has the micro dropouts that won't bend my stupid ass dropouts from grinding. Then I unbended my nitrous forks. I'm gonna get new director ones. I have a Aitken tire, a Hazard light rim, Odyssey Vandero 2 hub, Animal grips. I got Animal strip seat, Animal mini wedge post. I have Animal sealed pedals in gold, metal. I don't like plastic ones, they're stupid and gaga and they break and slide so easy. Profile racing cranks, Hoffman Dinky stem, Animal GLH tire in 20 x 1.95, Odyssey Hazard light with shadow spokes and gold alloy nipples, laced up to a ratchet hub, really nice G-Sport hub, and a normal KMC chain with my dice caps. And that's about it for my bike check.